Hello guys, today I have got Motorola Vervebuds 250 and I'm going to show you how to fix your earbuds don't respond or respond slowly to the touch controls. So, how to fix that? You need to, of course, at first switching the phones that you are connected to. Of course, what I mean by that is that your phone may be lagging or maybe just maybe causing bad connection. So you need to try connecting your earbuds to a different phone. Maybe not phone necessarily, but it can be either PC, laptop, phone, everything ever imaginable. So once you do so, everything should be fine. If it's not fine and if it's not your phone's fault, if it's still your bud's fault, we need to go deeper. So try to perform a factory reset and charge them up to 100%. If you don't know how to perform a factory reset, everything is on our channel, so you need to just try to search for it. And that should be it. Goodbye.